In this tutorial, I will put you through on how to create dancing baby cartoon video, okay, which can go viral as Reels using Gemini AI. The first step to take is to launch a web browser. Once the browser opens, visit gemini.google.com and sign in. You can see the web link there. I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Once you're here, click on this images tab. This will make this AI tool to be in image mode. Or if you have your own image, alright, that you want to make to dance as a cartoon, there's no need of clicking on this image tab. What you need to do is to click on videos, then click here and add the image you want to use and prompt this AI tool. Okay, but here I want to generate an image, so I've clicked here for me to be in image mode. So let me generate a cartoon image. So I'll prompt this and look at my prompt. Generate a baby cartoon character in 3D, chubby, in happy mood and dancing. So once you type your prompt, the next step is to click on submit. Give it time to generate that. Here we are with our AI cartoon character, okay? And that is what you're going to use to generate the dancing cartoon, all right? The dancing baby cartoon. So what you need to do is to download it for it to be saved inside your PC. Then we are going to switch to in video mode, all right? Because we want to create video with this particular character. And for you to switch to video mode, you need to click on video tab. Then we need to add that image. So I'll click on this, click on upload. Then we have to pick that. So I'll click on it and click on open. You can see it has added this character. So we're going to prompt this to make this character, which is this image, to dance. And here is our prompt. It reads, make the cartoon character dance African music style, generate your own unique audio and make her dance it. Alright, in your own case, maybe you're in America, so you can say American music style or anything at all. Or if you don't even want audio, prompt it and tell it not to add audio in the process, alright? That you should not add on any audio. Maybe you have your own song that you want it to dance. Come on, just add it so that it will not add any sound. Then next thing you need to do here is this landscape, because you are targeting Reels. Click here and select portrait, okay? So once you do that, the next step is to click on send. And here this has come up with something unique. I can click on download to download the video, which I will use later on for my Reels, maybe on TikTok or on Facebook. Okay, but let's just play it before we talk about going viral. You can see this is unique, okay? And this video is about 10 seconds. All right, if you want something more, you can add the photo again, the image character, and prompt it again for it to generate it for you. Are you getting that? Then going viral, get to TikTok or Facebook or Instagram. You can just type the keyword dancing AI baby cartoon. You will see some videos that are going viral already. Then you title your own that same way or in a similar way and then post. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.